Hello students, welcome to GS Core platform. So at GS Core we have come up with a special course on GS paper 3. Why we have designed this program? Because if you go through or if you see the study material around you regarding GS paper 3, so what is the main challenge that every aspirant has to face is regarding the availability of material. And if material is available also, the main challenge that they face, it is not updated one. So keeping this thing in mind, so we have designed a special course for GS paper 3 where we will focus on mains as well as prelims perspective also. And for whatever components are there, for every component, that is we have basically 5 components in this paper. That is, first is your economy, which is having a maximum marks, almost 50% marks out of 250, that is 125 marks. Then your science and tech, again dynamic, and it has a weightage of around 30 to 40 marks. Then comes security, so it has also a weightage of 30 to 40 marks. And then comes environment and disaster management. So all these 5 components have good amount of weightage. So a serious aspirant cannot neglect this paper or any area. And most of the topics or most of the questions, either in prelims or mains, whatever UPSC is asking from these components, all are basically current. That is your current affairs oriented. But again, to understand current affairs, you must have a basic understanding of some important concepts. So this is what we are going to do in our this GS paper 3 classroom program. So what we have decided that we will focus on basics first, where we will cover your all important concepts with respect to all these 5 components. Second, what we have decided that then we'll go for your advance once your concepts are over, that is your mains part, where we will focus on all the different perspective of the topics. So if you see, regularly you will find in newspaper many issues as well as many events. So if I talk about economy, so economic recovery is the main issue and it has many perspectives. So whatever possible perspective there are for economic recovery, so we'll discuss those in detail. Similarly, for environment, COP26 is there. So again, many perspective or many detailed discussions are there. So we'll cover those things holistically. Similarly, for security, recently there was attack, that is your Naxal attack in Gadchiroli. So again, a complete background or complete understanding of Naxalism in India, as well as what can be the possible solutions, or you can say all other perspective that we'll discuss. So what I want to say that whatever is the issue or event that we'll discuss here. So once your concept is there, so we'll see that how these concepts are coming into your advanced level or utilized by our government. Then once we'll do it, then we'll also focus on current affairs, where you have a grip over some basic facts which you need to write in exam, because without writing some facts, examiner will not give you a good marks. So if you see our approach is holistic one. So we are starting from concept clarity and understanding various perspective, and then some value added facts, so that you are able to score good marks in GS paper 3. Apart from this, that is apart from classes, you will have a regular test also, that is for both prelims and mains, and you will get regular evaluation along with model answers. So we will help you how to approach answer also, that is in class itself. And whenever need be there, you will get personalized mentorship, that is one to one interaction with the faculty, as well as personalized feedback along with regular doubt sessions, that is your doubt clearing sessions. So this is what we have designed a program for you, where if question comes either from macro perspective or micro perspective, you are able to handle it. And whatever we are doing or helping you out, that is a specialized expert and team will be there to support you. Like for every component, different faculty is there. Clear? For economy, different faculty. For environment, different faculty. For disaster management, you have a different faculty. And for science and tech and other parts also, you have a different faculty. So you will get study material, and that is updated study material. That is whatever is relevant for your upcoming exam. Okay. And in class, we will help you by providing regular worksheets also. So in this way, you will be able to score a maximum out of this 250 marks, that is under GS paper